Hey, entrepreneurs, there are two kind of people are in every business. So the number one is an activity-oriented people. Activity-oriented people are, they focus on activity. They come in office, they will come and go from office based on the time and calendars. The clock and calendars, that is the dependency, because they will come to the office at 9 o'clock and they will stay there till 5 o'clock, and they will demand a salary based on the days, based on how many days they have worked. This is the major characteristics of activity-oriented people, because they don't bother about what is the result they have produced, what is the level of productivity they have. They don't bother about it. They think that, okay, and I was there in office till 5 o'clock from 9 in the morning, so I'm eligible for getting salary. And there are other people are there. So I was there working on a 25 or 26 days. So I'm eligible for salary. So nobody will ask, what is the result you have produced? What was the productivity you bought? So if your team is like that, if they are demanding salary or commission or anything based on the time they spent, or are you monitoring their performance and are they giving any result? Are they demanding their salary or commission or whatever it is, the rewards based on the result? So turn this activity-oriented people to the productivity-oriented people, because productivity-oriented people will not bother about what is the time they are in, what is the time they go out. They always focus on what is the result I have created. I will not leave this office before I complete my task, before I produce result. The production of the result is the capability of the performance-driven team. So build a performance-driven team, not an activity-oriented team. Activity-driven team will never help you to grow your business, never help you to scale your business, but a performance-driven team will literally help you to achieve the greatest success in business life. So stay tuned. This is me, Casac Benjali, business coach and success strategist.